In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pixel for Gumroad. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Gumroad account and have your Facebook Pixel ID handy. This is the short numeric ID from your Meta Events Manager that lets Gumroad send purchase and page view data back to your ad account so you can measure conversions and retarget visitors accurately. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're already logged in, this will load your creator home where you manage products, payouts, and settings. Give the page a second to load fully so the navigation is visible. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard for the profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your account options. Click that icon to reveal the menu. This is where Gumroad groups things like your profile, settings, and sign out, so if you don't see it at first, just hover near the lower left edge until it appears. From that menu, choose Settings. Clicking Settings takes you to a page with several tabs and sections that control how your store behaves. We'll be focusing on analytics since that's where pixels live. Inside Settings, select Third-Party Analytics. This section is designed for connecting external tracking tools, and it includes fields for platforms like Google and Facebook. Opening it ensures the pixel data will be saved to your whole account, not just a single product. In the Third-Party Analytics page, find the field labeled Facebook Pixel. Click into that box and type your Facebook Pixel ID. Enter only the numeric ID, no spaces, no extra characters. If you manage more than one pixel, double-check you're using the correct ID for this store. A quick way to confirm is to compare the number to the one you use in your ads manager. Once the ID is in place, scroll if needed and click Update Settings. After you click, wait for the confirmation indicator or message so you know the change has been saved. If you mistype the ID, you can return to the same spot and correct it at any time. That's it. Your Gumroad checkout and product pages can now send events to your Facebook pixel, helping you see which campaigns drive sales and giving you the data you need to optimize. If you're planning new ads, give the pixel a little time to start receiving activity before evaluating results. Thanks for watching and happy selling.